Hi you guys, my name is Collin and this is the Harmon Kardon One. This is a Bluetooth speaker that is able to connect to any smart device such as smartphones, tablets, and computers that are Bluetooth enabled. So looking from the front here, you have a awesome steel, sleek, minimalistic design that fits in with almost any office that you have, or can make it look slightly more expensive or fancy on any desk. So from the front, if you look on the left side, you have 5 buttons. In the center, you have the power button. On the left and right side, you have the volume up and down. On the bottom, you have a phone button. And then on above all of those buttons, you have the Bluetooth button, where you can click it to seek for the device that you wanted to connect to. Now, on the right side, you have your micro USB port, your auxiliary port, and the status lights that show you how much battery is left in the speaker. You can charge the speaker using the micro USB cable that comes with it, in addition to a power adapter, carrying case, and of course the speaker itself. Alright, so let's take a quick listen to hear what the speaker sounds like. The speaker has really good sound, obviously. It has a lot more bass than a lot of the speakers I've listened to, and especially with a speaker that's coming from a well-established company that has its speakers installed in vehicles. One of the things to note is that this speaker actually is discontinued, but you can get it on several other sites and underneath $100 or even $65 if you're looking well enough. Again, this is the Harmon Kardon One, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again.